How to save snap in chat on Snapchat. In this video, we will learn how can we save snap easily on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, let's go to our chat option and click on any conversation. Now here, as you can see, I have received 3 snaps. Firstly, we will click on tap to view. After we click on it and swipe below, we get to see a lot of options, among which save in chat is one of them. When we click on it, the snap is automatically saved in our chat. This is one method of saving snap in chat. Now for the other method, let me first unsave this snap from chat. And as you can see the option to replay or save, when we click on it, we also see the option to save in chat. And when we click on it, it gets saved. So we can also save snap after viewing it, and it is same for the videos. And that's it. That is how easily you can save snap in chat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching till the end.